Welcome to day one of the A to Z series of artificial intelligence at Tiered AI Academy, where we help you to stay relevant in the age of AI. So today we're going to be talking about automation. And when we mean automation, we simply refer to the technology that performs tasks without the need for human intervention. But to understand and appreciate its significance in AI, we first need to take a step back and explore how automation has evolved over time.
Traditionally, automation began during the Industrial Revolution when machines were introduced to perform tasks that were previously done by hand. This shift not only increased productivity, but also transformed entire industries. Transportation went from horse-drawn carriages to steam engines, which powered trains and steamships, speeding up transportation. Food production also adopted tractors and harvesters in favor of traditional hand tools, enabling us to produce food on a massive scale. And several more industries were also disrupted during this period, removing repetitive, labor-intensive processes and making more room for development in other important areas. And as technology advanced, the concept of automation expanded beyond physical machines to include software solutions that automate repetitive tasks in business processes. Redundant tasks like data entry, survey collection, and invoice processing could now be automated. This evolution paved the way for what we now know as robotic process automation, or RPA, and other AI-driven automation technologies. RPA utilizes software robots to automate repetitive tasks across various applications. For instance, RPA can handle data entry, process transactions, and manage records efficiently, significantly reducing operational costs and time. It's often used in many industries such as healthcare and finance. RPA processes are often rule-based and are great at automating routine tasks that do not require decision-making and complex reasoning. When it comes to AI automation, however, they're smarter. For one, AI agents are trained to learn from data, adapt to new information, and make new decisions, and are often applied to areas such as customer support chatbots and recruitment, where understanding context is crucial. Some popular AI automation tools include Make and Zapier, particularly Zapier Central. So, let's get a bit hands-on and see if we can automate one or two tasks using AI.